The longest yard. Close of Escrow. The final days, weeks, of escrow can be excruciating for buyers and sellers. Here is a rundown of what should occur, but sometimes uncovers issues, which makes us all scramble. Rule 1. Don't panic. You've survived the hard part. The number of days until close of escrow is fairly fixed. By fairly, I mean the scheduled close can vary by a number of days. That number of days is affected by your lender's performance complying with overlays. If you are getting a loan, that lender has requirements. From the underwriter to the guarantors or the loan, each has an overlay or checklist which you have to pass. Only then is your loan approved. This is why sellers prefer cash buyers. That number of days is affected by your lender's performance complying with purchase terms and conditions. Your purchase agreement contains many terms and conditions. Timing, repairs, extensions, accounting, promises, credits, yada yada yada. That number of days is affected by your lender's performance complying with appraisal conditions. Your appraisal uses market comparables to evaluate the condition and value of your house, to determine if the loan is justified. There are many elements of condition and value considered. That number of days is affected by your lender's performance getting the loan documents ordered. The loan documents are a compendium of riders, disclaimers, risks, rights, duties, and your deed. When completed, they are sent to escrow. That number of days is affected by your performance preserving your financial standing. Do not quit your job, change jobs, or even give a notice to your employer. Do not buy anything, purchase an auto or take on any additional debt. Do not initiate any credit card balance transfers. Do not apply for credit anywhere or complete any credit application. Do not co-sign for anyone. Do not change bank accounts or transfer money within your existing bank accounts. Do not deposit cash into any accounts. Lenders cannot consider cash as valid unless it is traceable or seasoned, 60+ days. Do not have any non-sufficient funds or overdrafts on your bank statements. Do not purchase any other real estate. Do not allow anyone to make an inquiry on your credit report. Do not throw away any new income or asset documents. Do keep all mortgages current. Do keep all car and credit card payments current. Do not plan on moving on a certain date. Delays are common. Do not be afraid to ask me or your lender any questions. Do call me or your lender if you have any concerns or not feeling comfortable about anything. That number of days is affected by your ability and readiness to fund the down payment. Are you ready to fund? Is it liquid in USD? Has a withdrawal been ordered? Is the timing appropriate? Is the source of funds in your name? Will it be good funds? If using a wire transfer, be aware of fraud. That number of days is affected by your readiness to become owner of the asset and the liability. Readiness to become owner means caring for the asset and managing the liability. Consider the total cost of ownership. That number of days is affected by the escrow officer's performance in preparing the estimated accounting. Your escrow officer uses the loan docs, purchase agreement, tax information, invoices, and receipts to create the closing estimate comprised of debits and credits for the buyer, resulting in the required down payment, and the seller, resulting in their net proceeds. That number of days is affected by the buyer's and seller's readiness to sign final documents. The signing appointment at escrow or with a mobile notary requires that all signers bring a thumb, their ID, and their down payment or destination of funds. That number of days is affected by the turnaround time for all of these events from the lender, escrow, seller, and you. Escrow sends signed docs to lender and all guarantors. Lender sends loan funds to escrow. Escrow releases deed to county recorder and notifies escrow that the sale has recorded. Sold. That number of days is affected by hiccups. There will be a hiccup. We will recover. By the way, I'm never too busy for your referrals.